Established in September 2011, Fujian Xinhong Mech and Elec Company Limited is one of the modernized manufacturers and marketers of heat press machines and related consumptive materials. We now has own property rights, industrial area of 20 acres, including more than 12,580 square meters standardized plant and modernized workshops. Xinhong integrated with R&D, production, sales, and service, has passed CE certification, SGS factory audit. Due to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced members are always able to ensure full customer satisfaction. Our production lines are equipped with advanced mechanical facilities, such as Belgian CNC laser cutting machine, CNC lathe to realize full automatic mechanical production. Based on the strong technology power, strict process and quality control, and reliable after-sales services, our products enjoy extensive reputation both at home and abroad. Its annual output exceeds 50,000 sets and sell well all over the world. Our products are of sophisticated manufacturing technology, easy use, and widely selection. Furthermore, customized products are available according to your specific requirements. Xinhong products cover 7 series, more than 1,000 types of heat press machines with related consumptive materials. Our main products include many types of heat transfer machines, mug press machines, plate press machines, cap press machines, garment press machines, and badge press machines. If you require any special assistance, please let us know, and we'll do our best to meet your needs.